Hey everyone, welcome to the AMX Superstore's Product Insight. I'm Riana, Crehan, and today I'm joined by one of our product specialists from AMX, Tim Dawson. Tim, we are talking about Kryptonite, all things security. Tell me about it.
Yeah, so Kryptonite, they know that feeling of when you're out on your bike and you've had a great day, you park it and you come back from somewhere and suddenly it's not there. They don't want anyone to have that feeling, so they've created the ultimate in security.
So today we're focusing on disc locks from Kryptonite. Tell me about them.
So the disc lock is the more convenient option and in a lot of cases quite a high security option for your bike. As the name suggests, it actually clips onto the front of your disc rotor, preventing the wheel from moving. And being that it's so small and lightweight, in some cases you can even keep them under the seat of your bike, so there's no excuse to not have them when you need it.
I suppose when you think about a lock, you would think they were all very similar, but just run me through the range.
Too easy. So this one here is your mid-level range. You're going to start off, it's very simple. You connect it straight to your disc rotor, single bolt, it's 10 mil thick. Moving up, you get into this one, so it's smaller, more compact, and yes, it's got a 6 mil pin, but it's also got a 120 decibel alarm. So if someone starts tampering with it, moving it, it's going to go off, it's going to deter that thief. And then as you start moving up the ranges, you're going to look at your dual deadbolts. So those dual deadbolts mean two pieces of steel that you need to cut through. It's a thicker steel as you kind of move up through the ranges. And as you can see, as you pull it out, so that would be the part that you connect in. The different levels of technology here and the different levels of CNC machinery means that they're actually creating an excellent deadbolt. This one in particular is their highest range. This is their Liberty. Not only does it have the thickest level of steel around that shackle, it's also got a dual level crossbar and a high level of security in the cylinder, making it pick and drill resistant.
And what happens if you lose your key? Are you all over?
No, not at all. So there's a number of keys that come with it. Actually, some of them even come with a little LED light to make it easy to find that lock at night time. When you buy your lock, you register it with the Kryptonite website, and as part of their key safe program, they'll actually send you a new key out, or if you've got a combination lock, send you the combination when you need it.
Is there anything else available in the Kryptonite range for security?
As far as convenience, this is as convenient as it gets. It's small and it's lightweight. Outside of this, you'd be looking at a U-bolt or a chain, which is much bigger and can offer a lot more security.
Thank you so much, Tim. If you've got any questions or would like any more information on the Kryptonite security range, head to your nearest AMX Superstore, or of course, the information is there for you on the website.